Hi everyone, my name is Alex and this is Elaine.
Hi.
Today I'm going to be working through a typical salon situation where a client is returning after a 6 weeks regrowth. To help me achieve this, I'm going to be using Silklift Strong on the regrowth area, and then I'm going to refine that lift with Colorance Express Toning. If you'd like to see more, keep watching. A key benefit of Colorance Express Toning is that it's very quick and it's very effective. Tune in every week for the latest Master Colorist videos from Goldwell.